So today we'll be taking a look at two decks, the Regalia deck by Shin Lim and the Red Cherry Casinos. Let's take a look at these Cherry Casinos first. Let's take a look at the Cherry Casinos first. This is how the duck case looks like. It's got this Coca-Cola design, if I may. Cherry Casino here, nothing on top. And on the bottom it's got some ad copy and pure imagination projects. Inside the box you get this very nice and clean looking Cherry Casino, ace of spades, and also so the back design looks like same as the box. With this you get a double backer, a blank card, and two identical jokers, which is always very nice for Magic. Blank card can do many routines, and also double backer will help you a lot. These cards handle really well and they fan really well too. Just very nice. Next up, we have the Regalia deck by Shin Lim. Let's go. How the hell do you open this shit? This is the Regalia deck by Shin Lim. The back design looks really nice. It's got this Russian communism kind of thing. I don't know if you can see it, but this eagle looks like this Russian. That's what it looks like to me. This, I'm pretty sure, also comes in stack order, which is very nice. This is printed by Katamundi, if I'm not wrong. Wait 1 second. It doesn't. Yes, I'm pretty sure this is printed by Cartoon Monday. Let's take a look at the Ace of Spades first. That is, if I can. Okay. Here, the Ace of Spades. The Ace of Spades. This Ace of Spades is actually one of the most incredible and beautiful Ace of Spades I have seen. It's just so creative. We shall put it back where it was. Also with the deck, you get an extra Queen of Spades because Shin Lim has that tattoo of the Queen of Spades, a blank card, and 2 identical jokers. The jokers look really nice. Instead of J, it just says R. R stands for Regalia, I'm assuming. Pretty nice. Okay. This is Cartoon Mondi's B9 premium, B9 stock, I'm assuming. This feels very, very nice. So, ooh, these fan really well. It's got this nice gold foil on it. Makes the cards look really, really clean and really beautiful as well. Ooh, the fans shimmer. I've used both the decks now, and I have to say the Regalia gives off this very luxury premium finish, while the Cherry Casinos give off this nice smooth and chill vibe. Well, honestly, for everyday use I would use the Cherry Casinos, but for once in a time, like a performance something, I would definitely use the Regalia because the Regalia just looks really, really nice. Well guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it, and please subscribe to the channel and comment down below what you want to see next.